Okay.
Yo, your mom will be a dream, Mona Quabaziba, a coastal TV. You may see a Kasa, name you so, and a Joda, and you be Asia, ever soon Kunya, Nazi, and some occurred do Ghana hanging na is a gupondo. They are in general. They are more Kunya, na also a chair wagon. Mrs. Danny Abawana, ne Abago fu a being in your may be na Wabaka, Mensa with Yaha. I am in your yeah, chunk with Yaha. In your Isaac Dick, oh no, yeah, MPP, one Cape Coast North communicators, no court. Now, Bigman, in your LAMIDI, immediate past youth organizer for Cape Coast North.
Said I walk election, walk away.
Na election, see, I'm in scores, me just there, I'm reporting, what can I some? Na, yeah, Minia, oh, yeah, LAMIDI, ALHASSAN, don't know from the Bigman. I am from Gofunim there, ALHASSAN Canizano. Or a Bigman Nana Obianim, only assembly member for Ayikoo Tantri area. Na aban samdam na yawa able to me arguing home. Yes, sir, in the assembly and you be a G party you for no any other transport operators work for some bay. What's what about to about to face or 30% into one transport minister when you're arguing home or those who was a brown one into woman in the bassa pet. Na waba wankashi anchira wana no chede oba increase transport first no nto chede kala kotua bebi afoko no so ye 10 series was biba kan e bi sede abanza madam na wama GPRTU no onye other transport operators no was oba botumi bimpo wezi nka watotum da secretly yanka ho asam wie ese official was opere wotumu bio ya za e baka ho asam na ya adwendwen na ya hwe nyama oma akwanoma dam azi transport operators no so botu one face mu no na ya hwe se botu ato asra one e we nya abota kakra na enyina ya abo mo man mezie ya na nyina no oyaza ya bohwe ebiom oye Musa Dankwa enyina ya enim ne bobio wo man Ghana ha urban oye politics another electoral polls ozima akotene pa na also why research bi oze finance na aba na chede oye 63% of Ghanaians onyina waji dam tribunal system was it into onche bia na parliament was it the memory was it by oye bill parliament abo akoro mampanyin nsa ba hye nkrata ase na wababa ye mra wo Ghana ha na ya hye ase da ezri adwuma tribunal no ono mpo no oye abaze ni nyina na ebe chechirem na ya hwe de anya bia oye no kwere de Ghana fododo na 60% oche de majority was wope tribunal system no nti oye aza no so ye behwe na ya ka ho asam na oye last week yala na oye yen finance minister honorable Dr. Atoforson okoye parliament oka fa na media budget review ozoko tuga ya ka ho nsam bebre na sesi ano asam kra ye bisa yin de ehwe nkra temu a na ochere nsam oza botugwa na ze nko ye pa zemo man Ghana ochere nzama adan ma nzama oriye wa fa ntino ye bisa de anya bia dam budget ya is about to go Ghana yen economic gains no oye nkrata do ne ehu na nyama fefefe na se ba abano practically nyama enshada ntedam no so ya sama ebebisa na ya no na mabejefu aboma yetum yeze dam nsam nyina yeze atuga nti anya ntena na ofi na ezisi ara kopim oye dosia ninchemuze no che yanyi wono wodam discussion ya ba bezin komo na mama mabujefo na akwaba na yanka semre no ya hye yankomo twetwe no ase dik osenene Bigman say equal elections by Amen scores
nyo aba yakoto scores the don't me the type
yeah
so abako elections
no as politicians
either you win
or you lose. There's no draw in elections. In your
elections, Cape Coast North, me basa.
Oh, then
that is officer for 12 years as constituency officer. I think that no good delegate when you must say Washington, and I think that no when I don't decide otherwise. Until Menya, I mean, the party human. She comes to an end. You be a party, Juma Pana. Ma, I mean, Lamin, no, what the or man, no, fire seafood so all boom amending. Say now one year a man juma. Yan for your one juma. No festive as a mobile to know because a country book or no country book. What did you say? We'll see that and queer mum. See next time.
Next time. Opportunities no hobby brave.
Good.
Bigman. What's in there?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, but that was a pa. Baby, I shall Ezemika as a ben. Yeah, I'm Emma Yensu Soprano, Yenua Jipa, the Jacobon Shelby, no ma, which Mazino, Uncle. And your Yanshan competition, I say, Big Mamma shall say, Odo, GPRTU for no other transport operators. What's it, or per day, or increased transport fares? Mijis there, the bear some a cooling. The my issue ya bay, no was 20%. My way about to trust someone there. One channel indicators now was Abano. Abano so or you wage into one champion a fuel price numpo or folly. As I said, one issue in there. Fuel price has not rise view. Coupled with other factors. Also, a color can be bring now on yet. Into no what to spare parts and that. No so spare parts so they be an away to. No boys, and what to spare parts and that. As a bachelor, not what I say. Into no other replacement. Nti ehwe ne kwando yin abanenti won as na wontum another still if you do order wonya abuta kakra
okay let's ya ashafo na ye chenwan ai kazi meaning started the befia watch ai ko aban 8 years ya pon studio a ma motor afana ya ko wa kaka je ne contract wi o mam ai ni tim ya zan mon mi agu otino na de wa imagine ye kura ai but I am me, I'm a kind of my brother, and we are very good friends. How you can know, they're my kind of amazing. Sometimes, what will increase fare. Sometimes, some factors I was a come there. It's no was in my bonus. Oh, yeah, me one in your agent, papa. Captain there. Abra what to fuel do want to lorry fare no do and so what to do one day impo na anto da and there yes you sacrifice exam but to do baby a man na ya cheche no osende yin na ya bobon yan ho kapede ya kada ya yen zame bi ezetia aban na aban kada oye bi zetia na aban no zino wobo kapede asama kasa aban ka crackers basisi ada ozima manfo anana kasa so oye ni transport operating system no auto do cra you go out of business but aban impenedam inti yen na yan cheche manan kakan na yankon yin so kada we sim because of yan route no nya inda na yan Ghana route on ya in fair person ko year of road 1 year of road 2 year of road 3 anemwa we mani mu into all these years are why road in and road in here and all these things in all these things we betum so one factor the road come na yan dollar ya okosura ko do 17 year we complain then zamana buyazini since yan dollar no relatively 12 cedis into a chede nzama buy then why is stable nzama so no buy then why before kakra so I don't see the reason why kada de bia was in nzama mabu muntu someone what island for food because under the nance and fuel yet on 12.84 no ba eco baby sisi am peda mobile station binisi petrol am maka petrol enti oye 14.17 baby 14.86 14 under 50 cedis enti na oyam na kakran there under the nice because that increment be week impombe I stand to be corrected week impombe because under the nice impom koto fuel enti mental so there work adam. See, the only thing me makacha
issues now was urban so and there was a spare parts.
Yeah, I know about the spare parts and bra I come wa ben me $17 cedis. Na quarter spare parts no boyazi. Na yazi exchange rate yaza about 12 cedis. Ma spare parts and no ba ko phone. So what pack and then one eye spare parts dealers in what the one was since the mobile bar. And one can change as government also on funnel coffee. On capre baby them was it iron flock or potting side. On capro, no fun for the party for so no more is kind of one sway business in the nation who is going to lose. Yes, because I don't see the reason why Senator Thatcher
will break even.
You go to a break, Mama Kasa, your money will know what to Obama NDC Lucy election. Now, but so can what it's one price or do. I know it's one money more. What's a top price or no? It tells you clearly that they are sabotaging the bank government. No, I the blame. You jam one day when you so this is the way I work on 1 year because and we are ready to go with to meet them squarely. Because me, I urge my the Minister of Transport and the Minister of Trade and Industry. And this is for a business or a year. Yeah, capacity and pra.
Also, business people.
Yeah, capra baby, yeah, equally to them. Around there in business, in competition, you know, the consumer suffers.
Yeah. Because
in 1996.
And the monopoly is on.
Yeah, 1996, 95, thereabout. No more tema. Community 5, me will be amenity. Mobile phone number no more betel waba fofura. Okito a use of so what for then down time 380 cities. No what so a flash and power what with 3 minutes scan. You want a scan combo system no. Scan combo mana in there MTN. What for a scan com because I'm a cheap I'm use or phone me I'm not cheap no I scan com. As this original phone mobile scan com. Extra dama time we want so beno na system no ezika by now show mobile phone show mosa young call no mobile phone yen data na zina see so but it's far better than 95 96 there about now na system no to them it said no mobile that is the past experience ayenya then you have a competition album so competition ba the customer no bottle so about to transfer Ghana phone. Yen no drivers. Ya pa oncho, chia na che no bui. No when there this government so e kon biado onwenzi ye papa. No anytime ba transport operators and union bi sora president bakad no ninja one. Quickly, no president will intervene. No one is in comment about to transfer on. 30% increment is I mean me one year. Because if a phone number one also 10% improve. It's little over 8%. That's how I'm about 30%. I tell that you with you. Because in bar what's old in 2 months old. It is a sister walk or so kakra. Let's say a small but 30%. I don't see the reason why. So actually road the same thing I work here. One customer do to there. See Ghana young roads today. Alhamdulillah. Almost all over the country by a construction site are more constant road exam. Okay. For the first time in history of Ghana, a front place, you been over bridge at Tunsunodo. You understand?
Yeah.
It's a matter of time. MPP is 8 years, rather say as a less than 2 years should be by your position, man. Not still you are not satisfied. I don't see the reason why you're done. It's about to toss around. Because no manner abandon your baby net, you know, one can abandon it to me as no. Means is President John Dramani Mama. Nitum bears in the Podoya Dam has him. Or unlike some of us, I'm in a mere president touches is a promotion to nature. More competition so that you understand you understand the crowd of the masses. Because they dollar because of monopoly in transport union for I don't think that this is the way we should go. One system operating. No one will be the Dama system operate to Abuchi. A matter of time. You would do it's 1 year but no church man kaka. Because about 2 years to you want to so you know. To have direct benefit in the indirect benefit. Indirect benefit maybe direct benefits in the manana or banks when you have to me aduma on 2 next year to say down we won the man wage na embassy say alato we refine crude
nti nkofo point says what's a tour refine crude na still
yeah because sense ko and there we are not living in isolation and then once a man I chechere a man sometimes demand and supply you be demand crude oil no baby nti and don't see na bubu we e chine bi knows how bro to when you hotel once I yesterday ya kasa ya na crude oil wahana ya Patronals and price in bubble phone but about to tell say in much masters government oil dem no so in na yes more no so ye hwenye because small girl when I was small girl so one so will create problem kaka was my system nti mazman base de no catch on when you hotel ya many pair
okay
and zama better some
Dick is there my big man can nine and now working your there drivers now there you born more business no jina by allowing them to increase the fares
mbede payin ma menhwe efrido na minchia igwefo bibia wo hwe TV wodu kokoduru bia minchia wan na menkanche party for there Jolu Kobi I kept quiet Jolu Kobi minti no ko ye no minti nobody should be on fence yinina yen sabum yen kan yen bom kroye na bebe anka masona bonimbi oda sampa nabo 24-hour economy. Then wakache driver fu oda sampa nabo. Anya do wo
is a quite
mama kai so my deal. Amemu wo wi. No we are onye ni to mo wan. Ghana fu people fan ko to abama wan. So Ghana fu NPP amembu so ya anko to abama wan. Nanya amembu wose won wodze yin wodze pawirofo na wokan some gun from them. Na Ghana for what can take a decision there. And then we are found the very in the views of some of them on into 100 ne or the sampa nabo wambra no woman. Do you know some of the promises? You may know it in the day of the show. Even when I do a robinsa, and then you on your base. In the advantage freedom, also who indicators are all warrant drivers are going to Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh, danger, anger. Danger when my politicians won't feel serious. Danger. You see the danger, oh, I am in Tantri. That today, under you, who indicators are, what's there? I will show him that indicators. Let's say be. Akwana samna okena kohwin osena dasofo owabuchi minji kohwin ti ma dasofo gogaya anke igwe keep course of akwan under his excellency the president, the former president Nana do Danko Akufo when we come in chiro I'm happy that you dey kan chen anke ikono wo tukwan tukwan amembu na yembu nintim awon yon to di tukwan anke muso mo abruko ma in Abromi town, Kosha akwan oyon kompo ne fe. O demand kesi hanatete ni fe ni wo abanda da wo ye. A mother's pride, for mother's pride. Be the chairman ti no ho commander's pride. Akwa oye fempo keke. Akwana. In the break room ha, iko Ebenezer Methodist. No war appeals kana in Canada ya for one akwanin da wo akufo do twa kwankon dukotu wo December 31st for wo obodo o ma wa bridge ho appeals kana shoot to yi no one aminti ano ni me your base or the one opposition or your base you should for appeals kafo akufo do no a well constructed culvert probably bo ho kwa akotache kwa akotoche akwana is higher Robins in numerous some ordinary man or come down side no I'm no crowd no local. Uncle, what's in the Aquana Akufado? Oh, you know what's in the on Yakan and Wabala, Aquania, Wabain, you see, amen.
Construction site.
I have a construction site. Ghana construction site. Cape Coast should be a construction site.
Oh, and say Cape Coast has it.
North should be a construction site.
Of Accra or Rebay.
Oh, Cape Coast. Remember your business. What's Cape Coast? What's the Ghana they die construction site? You see, don't put number the one. Woman in Bravo will commit to trip. On to number that. It's in Bravo for phone. Or you have Apani.
From Accra.
It's my Cape Coast North. Should be a construction site. Should be a construction site. Cape Coast. Cape Coast North. Should be a construction site.
Cape Coast North. So honestly, say you can Cape Coast in general.
I remember when you done a full off. Overwhelming vote to win. No more made done a full off. Ghana full year did. I tell Metro the minimum couldn't go. When a man will be on to a number, the man to one mama abohe. No, on the catch, Ghana. We then Kwame Command Ghana. Kwame, singer, I couldn't want to know the wash away. What you are doing, His Excellency, and now and what you are doing. No, we be now driver for them that said. That driver for complaining that I couldn't was saying. What for that was said was spare part. You sit here boldly telling them, insult, you are insulting them. That's why I abandoned so for fitful. One can clear site, one ton spare part. I can go in radio stations in the attic. Now, one more I add. Then, Uncle, why? Petrol, why to?
You saw the spare part, no other competition, but
I know competition. Aboso kind
monopoly.
We are going to have a Aboso kind boys where demonstration the previous government. Otherwise, one of them. One of you, if you go to Kaya.
So we're business people.
That's it. Uncle, when them before I want to spare parts as we go. You see, Ozako should be so. You know, in June 12th, show you with Zako Shako, or I bear some with that. Who follow it out? No sooner they get a new use something. Since when a Ghana dollar be 17 cities?
Okay.
Since when? I can in the middle of one day.
$22 no, yeah.
On your 17 years, you power 2024 December, that dollar around 14 to Google and check.
Honestly, I know quite agree.
There's no way to 15 cities.
There was a pointer, dollar cost 70.
I can give you yearly. There's nowhere dollar could do 70. Google your phone. Google your phone, you are with it.
Okay, I will tell you.
Next year, dollar could be 17 cities. What kind of license is that? Why they get that? Where? Our Bank of Ghana, back to the dollar, it could do it. You see? Only so, as someone who one can ye. Why do one emperor over to? What spare parts to say? Car and parts, nobody yet. While the dollar is down, dollar, what trying a man, nobody yet. While the dollar is down, fuel and they're barely, mind you, I don't know, all cacao and so, I a family man. Light bill, they're been able to me, Otrebi. What are they able to me, Otrebi? So, what are you talking about? The moment. Now, any fuel free, Gukalu. One more allowance. Kakal come every month and stipends, be my agent and Kakal. So, for you, you're okay. Now, no drive, you know, oh, you chop on with him. No child light been out to 360%. Water been out to me. Oh, Kakal spare parts now out to do well control. No one. You sit here and say that I will win it all the way to. May the good Lord forgive you. Forgive you. You get it? I don't see why I know what to warfare. Looking at what is there. Okay, dollar, this one I check that one. Or around 12 something. In between 12 and 13.
I think 12.3 or so.
Yes. We left it around 14.70. In 2024. 14.70. You sit on radio and you more come with Jaco, MPP now, a Korean Yamunti, and with Jaco, we are your business, what I do to our babies who want to. You see, 2028 MPP campaign, see now, simple. Very simple. one war waiting will be waiting by March 1. Women's banking here can. What come to check? What's it?
Yes, November 2024.
Yes.
Dollar 16.42 per dollar.
I look for challenge, but you find them other.
What's it? Interbank rate.
Interbank, I'll find them. And for have them
from Bank of Ghana.
No, it's 17 cities. Is it 17 cities?
Yeah, it's 16.42.
No, 17 cities.
Kremodi 17.
Massa, why do you lie like that? Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Didn't you? Uncle, they have every right. They want to fuel. We increase one lorry fare. So also our minimum or painful our minimum. Assassin, if you will be one crack.
Okay. Eco Federal so also there some forest bureaus also not approved by the Bank of Ghana.
Yes. So you don't
sold the dollar at 17 cedis.
But today, do you know the dollar rate?
This was not an official Bank of Ghana exchange rate.
In the minimum $1 now.
Oh, yeah.
It is more than what Bank of Ghana is taking.
In your honest, I know.
It's there. So it's in the
even the
black market, they are selling more.
Simple also.
Yes, it's what they use the Omanism.
In 2017, okay, was not entirely a lie.
About 17, but there was also 17.
But
16 have a problem with it.
16 wasn't the official Bank of Ghana rate.
When we were leaving office, no, 14, not 16.
That was somewhere December. Is it about 7 January and 1 handing over?
Yes. But December 2024 it was around 14.70.
Okay.
You get it? Where is it? Almost 17 cities.
Almost there. Yeah, $17 cities a pen.
So check the records. Check.
You know, my catch will be
but it's
2024.
When we put 2024 was 16 point something. On your 17.
There wasn't there forest groups been what on the 17 cities. I
was what a park and Kawasam because today we talk
Ghana official rate.
That's it.
And no, even Nakwa official from Bank of Ghana dollar 12.3%.
I'm getting some 16.
The black market.
That's it.
Even bottom more 15. 16. More 16.
That's it.
You're honest, I know.
So do you use that one? You're not using it.
It's okay, no.
It will be around. Black market is here.
Black market around
15,
16.
15,
16.
Black market rate, no.
But I don't want to use black market rate. You get it? So, Sina, one share brand and one more. Spare parts. No, middle spare parts, no borrow construction.
Okay.
Fuel.
So that I said more to fuel.
Oh, of course, yes. They don't want to.
Okay.
Condition of service. One also one condition of service in there. Light bill 36%. It be out.
What to move also about come now.
Of course, yeah. Now I know no so no work with it.
Nti ya ma 1000 naka was
when you take your increment in salary this year. Abanu to with me the what am. Enjoy. I'm the ban enjoy me that. I won't enjoy. I won't enjoy. Me that will choose. You be the ban enjoy. But I would waba. At it. Now no drive any percentage increment away. Ni ya nature e bono chensu. Ni ya nature atoto spare part. Akwana na promise that be ye me ni ya wa ye no so why really single ho? Enjoy them.
Okay.
Uncle want to marry some a bear or the Sampa Nabu. Sampa Nabu.
2 minutes in table.
Black market, oil $1 or so Kasa interbank another a fact. But on call more than 503%.
Okay.
But it's not 2%.
No money. Because he said, I'm almost sometimes me and could be no mama $6 a month. It's example, most one send dollar rate from a black market.
That's $1
yeah, no one can show. Because me, academics are question. I am your kakra. Obi obeza question. No, obi obeza question. A question, Dr. Mahmoud Bamuya. I'm not beginning to use this. I could always airport in a harbor. I'm not catch a waffle. I'm a vice president too.
So a bush into
also, we are building the good people of Cape Coast. I have good news for you. We are building a harbor and airport for you. I'm quoting. This is what he told us. Also, I'm in Mezakoshi. Everyone I'm in Srawa. Nana do catch and money on your human.
Of course.
Us then I have bread. Yes, let's go to I'm telling you, Nana do bed. So you call a common one. Why am I DDE to a many? Ike, don't go there. Ghanaians one more for.
Where DDP way?
DDEP.
Domestic.
What you try my friends to come.
And
all my first now can
it's the show.
And my first
no, a composer.
No, one less over and there. E-levy. What pass E-levy is to end your bebre. Sticker or show you in Ghana for catch and you will pass it. What can pass E-levy? Speak out to me or show you poker to about what this country. When you have Ghana for what's a work boy for you cool down tempest. Then when you have a money at the party office. So what the party office and the party office. It's in a Ghana for you have on. Ike, Mamma can no control. England, we are going to collaborate with the every union world transport sector. And we are going to make sure that yes in Zambia to tukwem yes amo. A brother or money so over catch out there a money on the good direction. If they can a man on them quarter, what the bank catch Ghana for the economy baby away do no junk state in overtaking 10 years and son a virgin and a name. So no, less than 1 year.
On a prediction into no say was a share to Aquanima. Those predictions.
So you don't leave us to just say anything and go.
No,
no, what about statement? I want to 2005.
If you have the time, you correct it.
What about the rocket Ghana that you have turned the corner? In the Ghana economy.
Only a former financial and also we have turned the
corner. No, the World Bank were also Ghana for Yayaze, their economy, Yam, Wajina Nando, economy,
time now, Dr. Amin. Is it Amin Ante?
Amin Ante also another Adam or Anta.
Ante,
you know, by spending see Adam. You know, say MP for the
finance minister. On our brother, no corner 10.
Oh, no, on 10 corner.
To force him came and
on 10 corner.
That is one thing you put.
I think this Ghana, abroad, economy, young state.
Young state they could do us.
Unless it's a economy,
22, but 23.
Unless it's a economy,
after that, no, things started 10. That is one thing. A fact will also matter.
When you have government or borrow for capital investment, no consumption, and you are sitting there, you borrow more than nothing to show. We are in Cape Coast here. We are to capture the NDC, Kotoko market, a stadium, internet, CSC, monumental project. Why we Cape Coast? Okay. Masa. I'm still
on it.
Economics.
It's a question. You have that fact. Also, you see,
I'm a question. Dr.
Mahmoud Bawumia. What he said and Dr. Bawumia in person. Already a manifesto on behalf of the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
So if you have a problem, if say your problem with the manifesto now, fine, we can discuss it. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in person, in your idea from kind of white lane, let me tell you one good thing about Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia to me cancel or to me yes, I said this, and he tells you how good the man is. He said something when if the fundamentals are not good, exchange rate will do what? Expose you. Doctor COVID in 2019, 2020. COVID hitting the fundamentals.
Or exposing.
Doesn't why exposing? Why exposing? Allah Akbar.
COVID, how many years?
From saying
COVID or exposing?
Keep quiet. Check the economic growth in 2017. Remember.
That is one factor.
2017. Abeni MPP Abamba rated economic growth of 3.2%. In 2017, a year ago, more than 3.2%.
What do you did?
In 2018,
What
we
do you do?
maintained the growth. 2019, we maintained the growth.
It's a lie.
Check the business confidence index in 2017, 2018, 2019 was doing progressively. In 2020, no COVID, but hitting the fundamentals. Are you getting me?
Basically, an import-driven economy.
That's it. So it is where we have to work on it. And it's not
as a nation,
yes, you see, the reason why I was dying for Dr. Bawumia or the real Republican will be the president. You may not like him, but to some of us, the man is an honest person. Dr. Bawumia is an honest person. When Dr. Bawumia is the vice president, no, it's the vice president. From 1992, fourth republic, it's vice president one can. Come and see, yes, only 100%. This is the manner he takes. What's the now, on pay and walk into my down. That tells you he's a leader. That
party will come or celebrate.
The man where you give me power. It will never if they can't.
We don't lie. We tell them that's what we can do.
Turning the corner.
Turning the corner. It was under Minanta. No problem. We are missing. Or we are missing. In 20, which bank? What bank? Bakabasa. And in all, it said if you will kutukum. So only if you will kutukum. So if you will kutukum. Now this government is not spending.
They say we feel okutokum.
No, this government is not spending. He's not paying contractors. Listen, he's not paying contractors. So how do you determine the economy in the only when government is not spending?
Okay, so that even pushes us to our next issue.
I mean, my major economics. But the little economics that mean there, when government spends, money gets into the system.
Yeah.
That is why you can determine proper inflation. Where you can see money chasing goods.
Okay.
But government is not spending, contractors are not being paid. One can say workers kakra na tekune yamu, dama na yamu.
The next issue, measures what do
we have economy.
Mame, just 1 second now. Munke ite for the when you the one go or your Coastal TV do. Jumezino ye Kasa na menye minia oye Isaac Dick on Cape Coast North MPP on communicator na oye Bigman on ye Ayikoo Tantri assembly member minyo
nti now, contractors, last time we went for a meeting, contractors who are members of IET and GHI are complaining of payment.
Okay. Into 050-820-6846, 050-820-6846. On your number, about my friend as one or two come to train him. Is this a year share? Or yeah, Ghana economy, no, they commercial say if you would. Science no, or look positive, and now so they feed or positive on paper. Now so practical aspect now.
Economy.
One people for what can also cosmetics.
Yes.
Now on year real, Yaman year real, but minister ni budget review was also by so at least. There were some positives we can all attest.
What are the positives?
Attest exchange rates. It's looking positive.
But how many people benefit from that?
Inflation. These are all indicators. Inflation rate. It tells us the rate at which goods in the market either go up or come down.
Today we eat inflation.
In there. Or stable.
And this young
or stable.
You see,
when
in MPP,
near 12.3%.
First, in those 10, first 4 years.
Okay. More 10 minutes. Then do justice to this issue.
Senior, if you tell me to hold Senior, Akufo-Addo 2017, 2018, 2019, when micro indicators were showing good. We're doing big. We're growing at a faster rate.
It didn't reflect in the pockets of the people.
You better studio ha. Now you catch one. What's in there? Those figures, we don't need to chop them. Those figures, do you chop them?
Now inflation will go chop.
Now inflation will
so
chop.
Me
you know, a sister station. I was telling Kwabena that we are doing good. We are growing. 3.2. You do 4.2. You could do 6.3.
Yeah.
Business confident business index rising. You get it?
I agree with
From 2.2 to 4.5.
Yeah.
I told Kwabena, Kwabena was quiet. Obu Kwabena said, "From saying some kutukum na menhwe." Now, the most annoying thing now, what you pay there? See, I put one. My watching of the people you did beyond. My not to them, but will go. It doesn't affect him. It doesn't affect him. My not to them, but to Abamoni. He doesn't trade in dollars.
Okay.
So if the exchange rate in the benefit in Hindi, it's just a minute of Ghanaian population that deals with dollars. No what benefit.
Yes, a dollar was sura. Isn't an economy or import driven.
Yes.
You know, you will need more dollars to go for goods from China,
yes.
Dubai, and
that is new being a year for China. But I'm not trying to grow. I can't able to teach man. The only ado here ni
pay. Yeah, gonna hear it here a grow na and go call in a what to work wasn't the dollar na costing once what to me.
Of course, there's also a debate we can do some time to come. Yeah. But my point is that the direct benefit of stay for attack my abonism. And this year we go fetch up. Stay for attack area pie go fetch up. Stay for attack. What's the dollar see on 20 B, not on 60 B. Bank account to Polibi. People like Ifuatano, what are the benefits of winning film? But me catch sure me both remember yesterday that how do you determine a good economy when government you are not spending?
You are not spending. And we can also attest to the fact that a lot of government own a lot of arrears.
Arrears to be paid. I would depend on economics. Yes.
Or push government.
That's it. Then you can determine a real inflation.
Yeah.
But we are not spending. We are not paying
because
contractors.
Even what for workers with Bra, they will turn on call. Even most
contractors are dying.
Even 1 year.
The
government should part away with money.
The
security agencies are also waiting to train their newly recruited.
I don't want to expose certain things to you. Consultant firm. We are chasing money from a bank. Okay. All 3-4 months, they are not releasing the money. Do you know the answer? The answer is that why you are banning Juma? What by won't check out? So how can banks help you? Contractors are dying if you don't know. I've told you I'm a member of the Ghanaian Engineers
Association. Yeah,
yes.
They are aware.
So I know what is there. What contractors are going
they were already dying. And then they are continuing to die.
Oh, but why they got to about 1.7 million vote difference? The 1.7 million different vote is that don't come and repeat what the others were doing.
Okay.
Change.
Yeah.
So what is it? Economy now, while to force, Ato is forcing. He's forcing what? Forcing what? Senior, he's forcing what? He's doing what?
Balance books no.
What books is it balancing? What books?
Inflation no. Alcohol.
I'm not sure why inflation.
Cosmetic.
Cosmetic inflation. We are just pulling the brakes, still holding the inflation. Open, we say, and see the real inflation.
GDP growth is 6.4% at least.
Or your shrimp. Only for power. Abandon the growth of this country.
Physical discipline.
The growth of the country was around 6%.
About spending here. The government has introduced physical discipline.
Who told you? Who told you?
Do you know this
government
is not just spending anyhow.
Government inherit the discipline of the previous administration. First, you can just walk into a bank and take your dollars at any time with no percentage. Dr. Baumia, no, the bed there to help work on the dollar issue. If you foreign scale, you should be charged 6.5%.
Okay.
That is a policy. Ojo Bank of Ghana. Finance minister should tell us one single policy we're working on the dollar. Or they talk about fiscal discipline. What is fiscal discipline?
Okay.
What is fiscal discipline? Maybe saying there.
This government. Sikano. One spend Sikano. Sikano kakana wohona. Wabo homba.
I mean trade because may discipline. We skip with him. Maybe I been take out. Let me say may discipline. May financial discipline. What sense does it make?
Okay.
Miriam Wabeke, government should spend. Government should pay contractors.
What's the MPP? What's the government on spend now? Actually, the government is spend overspender. No, actually, it will shoot the inflation up again.
How can government overspend?
Atu is failing.
No, how can government? How can you overspend? This government, the rhetoric is too much. The talking is too much. They talk too much. Workers don't do. The work is there. Do it.
The job there for ground.
This is not the 1.7 million vote one 2 more. Kasa no dosu. No, too arrogant. I don't know if one studio. The
most humble person I've seen.
What can they do? What can they do?
Bigman, Abasa.
Sit on TV station, you can be 100, you can handle what you do.
Bigman, as a cosmetic economy now, government is not spending because
government is spending prudently. That is the word. Government is spending
wisely. That don't pay your contractors.
It's not a matter of not paying your contractors.
Yeah, wisely in what sense?
The MPP, Obama ministers cannot don't forget more for the Kokuni demo.
I am no. When was this coming on the Kokuni demo? Also, when I go school, I'll quit you. Marcos school, I'll quit you. Marcos school, said that. NIB, back there. Why wouldn't I say security back there? National security has
cases from Ora. Also,
Mama Kasa, the government is spending wisely because until the MPP farm, one worker discount Wezo, work on Zumo. Remember, Abana discount or send a capital investment because they carry the economics. Now we define a capital. Or anything that you use to generate what?
So what have you done? Capital investment.
God.
Capital investment.
Why?
Will
you allow me to generate? Will you allow me?
Because why a car when you are that some company one car say you. One company the car when
I will not allow and then what to mark what I'm attending.
What are the capital?
But with the greatest respect,
capital investment that you are spending. Tell us.
Or chain.
And then I say there is a raise for Frabe money.
I have a raise.
Yes, a cowboy race.
Or your race and then the one the whole. Or your own race.
Ask me the I saw that the Messi has raised 4 years to come and support and boost the economy.
You know that Jogate called railways. Say the Jogate, I'm close to Jogate. My wedding, Jogate was the chairman of my wedding. It tells you how close I am to Joe.
Jogate Sky Train.
Master,
government or spend wisely because in economics you don't spend anyhow because of inflation. Because least mistake more inflation start the all trigger them on one time a too much in a market. No, after the electors what's the price now to the current pricing in that to be
that's what happened. And don't listen.
Also, why are you doing this?
It is
marketing. As in there, as on economy on feed one. My nephew on a mepedata said, and one ton 1 bag, 12 million, 6 million.
economy
anye
economy onye skato skato was 60
what to do
Kasa
50 million onye 50 million to in the other 5 million onye 5 million to this is just common sense skato
ma men one and 16 million na in the 5 million no anye economy
onye 5 million to
onye nto so 60 million wetin wa to na 5 million onye nto let's call a spade one has in there what
begin to
did I say to continue my almost serious no Dick na me na okoto ebro 25 million na ndoye 12 million no
what 25 million 12 million God I will enjoy growing son of
na me na auto millet 2500 the bag ndo 12 million no what is the economy
what can one summon e be when I whether them oil no less than the price or when you know Abana start on church one. They are from Cote d'Ivoire. No, what the Google system? What the year campaign?
It's never true.
Oh,
it's never true.
Just listen to what it's never true. Oh, food and drug what cheap or well. What cheap or well. What cheap or well.
They are smugglers.
Let's what cheap or well. Here, what you want to police headquarters.
Okay. Will you allow
the from Google system?
Will you allow me?
How?
You are telling me how?
It's an air conditioner. I swear to sweat and I swear. Now I'm going to pay to friends in Malakobno. Yeah, now say I come no. Ike, Mamma now, okra beans. 2,800 and 50 million. What's economy now? I'm telling you, that one some a kaka baby one, bro. And I'm chicken. No, oh yeah, 6 million. No, 3 million. Economy ni. Everything is not true.
The other issue, other recognizing there.
The government
is spending.
No. The government is spending.
But the other issue that.
I see the Minister of Roads and Highways. Also, contractors will be certificate have been worked to be account.
Okay.
And Minister Wakadama Sana.
Methodor.
Even your contract, assembly. Contract, assembly. You two contractors in the account.
I send the contract will check. I have a contract. I come approve. I won't check. Will be alone. Saying you might. Assembly.
Okay. A question may be so you there. In the midst of all this prudence, there are people waiting to be paid, so that they can also spend, but they are not. They cannot also.
What are the group of people who are not paid? Contractors, I told you that we are paying the contractors. That one is a lie. That one you are making a lie.
Let the public say my attention is not so much on the contractors because it has been a trend. Or even with successful governments, and these people think that contractors now was one for years. But me focus is on the poor civil servant, public servant, we recruiting for 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 years, I won't share the account. That so that he can also go to the market and spend. That is where my interest is.
Okay. No problem. So what for be wa benejuma or send on your financial clearance. Say your financial clearance. There is no way abandoned by them.
For 6 months, 1 year.
No.
More than 1 year.
Because what more appointment letter. Wabaka. Who gross who net now wabaka bibi actual.
They are waiting to train people. But finance ministers in there,
first batch work.
They are not spending.
First batch work training.
Manana will from.
First batch work training.
Manana was started.
If you want me area work. What's the matter to that?
What primary social milestone in the home.
Oh,
the finance minister from Harry Miska. I'd say Harry and complain. On the complain.
Oh, my program of fun. You respect you na ashafun. Atasa. Because it's an uncommon, I am Ghana for a here. Because I'm to make a 6 months. n'entwe ko be si den wo ezizi obi o waye number bi o ni be baba ne ma me na papa ogbo no ka wa mo we school enti obi biala abana fa na edwuma na akutuam ben no o che don ye financial clearance on your financial clearance not truly
never bansa na wa fa won no
wa fa won it's all your model no was wa fa now. I don't get it. It's not me so yin abota. As aban kawa aban beden obotu oko. Obotu ba penny na azamo.
Yeah, mama membu.
That was Monwie.
Akufado mpo anye case amagana na mama. Akufado wanye case amagana. Akufado wanye case ama President John Dramani mama. Blessing like this sir.
President my discussion. I'm sure they even was saying discussion in Tama. The direction of in that vacuum was
on the young Kawasa.
Mama Kasa Micho. Mama knew ye. Ghana, what a new appointment Brian John Mama. Case over. What Ghana for back at the one from man? Do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? After Aboko Sam, there was a be here kidney transplant and a kid be here. Makenofata, one pokon once in Koda. Ken. Obi ozinyo na ozinyo tro oyin trobo trobo ano
which one trobo which one
no yakaji no one sida this the 50th person yeah this man
such a government buyer
you should come account for his stewardship
yeah we use was here
Ababank
government or a business in terms of international loan transaction we use a data bank
mama Kasa Micho keno fata Amazon for sign no yeah
the leading investment bank for that why a transaction into percentage
Christ no this is the manner what's it on top of this is a manner on top of president is here for no position here for to no Kasa no ya bombra wa Kasa no ya baba we be the manner and there somebody who quote na we get up one here
this is for bono
as top of a big card they stay in America criminal like this if it's not a criminal you should come and account for his listen criminal like this what is that?
Dick, yes. One more time, na Akasa. What time, you know, Ms. Bigman, Bigman. The Bigman, Shanafisi. I also think.
What by a money in the dollar less than 4 cities. With this space of 8 years, Shebebe was a quay. And so you're 14 cities in Poa. You are reversing down. And you are telling me that this government, you want to compare Mama with Akufo-Addo. Don't bring yourself. 8 years was the hell in hell. Abosenge Papa was the look the way Ghanaians suffer. If I am was miscalculated to there, me are Kodayam Ashamo, Aji for this comment. One of them a common group of industry where thousands of people have a money and would there why a demonstration for former Chief Justice Supreme Court Judge Wakobida. So far open demonstration because of DDEPA. You people, what hell wasn't enough from where when you have to tell Ghana for when you are confident with President John Mahama or you have to tell them by 2028 you papa this studio minutes in this studio this area na okade Akufo-Addo about 4 years na ma banwe about 4 years am minutes in here baby it's in here masa when you abota Ghana for him be abona auto izuma John Mahama no it's John Mahama did be not na wa urgent how am I going to build that confidence back to the people? No, I get up bombazing, men they bear and my bound no. man no okodo kaka me jira motor slate I take 8 cities within 30 minutes we ya mama still attack for 75 cities me to matter on befi another time ko worship for 1.3
it is over the cement no 8 cities 50%.
as in
so we no with 32 cities
and yaba benu na cement
progressive
no yaba benu na yaba benu 103 in that some 80 cities
cement
as I speak in that some 80 cities and mama what are you talking about
the lives of Ibrahim Muhammad
Messi in that some 80 cities about
okay
when I do no yan don't go there slate no yan Dana for Ibra ban autism John Mama no nti yen wa be papa enti na zama bi o kodo na yakasa with passion because na zama because the Ghana for yan will lose confidence they will lose confidence wa akufo do no mu na e ma na so for baba baji maybe yen pen dam so enti na yakasa enti yen ma be kind of be anya abota yen me aduma by next year say them you will see because it's a president mama now denying that we are not going to rely on any foreign we are going to build our own country. Okay. That is the reason why we are Zama Sasa. No, I'll tell you, Obaba by next year say them could oil all $200 per barrel. You bought a fuel less with this country. Okay. You bought a fuel less with this country. Do you know the man President John Dramani Mama? Do you know his thinking ability? Also, don't go there.
Okay.
Don't go there, Kura.
Dick. What can some be? What may positive signs be?
This same thinking ability, no about home or report or now, the same thinking ability, not that. You see why I tell you this government is a lazy government. Obi really Ghana money scar. Listen to this theory. Obi really Ghana money scar. Listen, in the call what crowd? What about crowd? I will let you
and now everyone was out.
Was out another these are my documents. Mental. Pram call here, Apple Zimbabwe. Let a grant. No, okay. And this is president. I even know when you go and see when you go on this country. I should not wait for the one side. Walk away. One poor conscious came you on. The 5,000 you should dance. One serious.
Our evidence we are. Our evidence we are. Our evidence we are. 5,000. Our evidence because I will take you home.
We're telling you this guy. Bank of Ghana. Addison. Former bank.
You can't prove it.
But can is not manti.
I'm coming here. You see, you want to be a trial be. Do you necessarily need kind of right to be tried?
No.
The work so cut abroad and ready. There are simply a baby salmon. May you want. You can try this person in absentia. But do you know why I'm no, I want to. Do you know the American for granting state? No. Do you know why America for granting state? Well, granting state because of the life at risk when he comes to Ghana. Because I think he will feel. Me, I don't have a problem with air trying to do. But what so this guy, what to this guy, I'm nowhere to be found. It's no democracy. They ever say democracy. A time will come.
As I was saying there, Oba on a river now, Bachina could offer 100 billion from billion from for bill. Was set to bill conditions, Sama.
All who conditions are rights and why what granting is still. But for Ghana from bringing your Ghana, what shall the life at risk?
Wasn't many a human.
Yes, that Oba the life or in danger. What could you feel in the absence of Yahweh?
Sanko Nifi.
Never came a mother, our Babagana, I'm back among the bill.
Yeah.
You came in silly bill. Do you know why? And why some trouble when they try me in absentia? Mami anu ti obi.
What was nasa mabra onye wa.
Mami bi na odi ska bu ka bu to twem. Sednam wo bo na ewi no anu kwa no abo na ewi kromfo. Ken obiara no court of competent jurisdiction is in Assam. And because of who they point to so I know the way the is can abuchi. Oman cosum high thinking president. High thinking president. What begins can abuchi so I grant today until now. Meanwhile, Sanke Dam Robin so nifio. Na life 1 year at risk and it's over that
is there wasn't the OSP case one fell against Kinofata no a week. It lacks competence.
Do you know one charge of charge of working for that? Mama and I what to international audit firm. Wow,
KPMG.
Yes, wow,
National Cathedral.
Do you know the result in the National
Cathedral? What was Ozama? It was Ozama audit service.
The one
year another audit.
This government, I'm sure another issue. And there, oil was one measure oil. Wonsuno. Kenufrata. Na saying sister, SMS case. Saying there, man, first no problem. I will find it. When you pay a fubu and lawyer Martin Pebu. Also, I don't want to Kenufrata is nonsense. Have you heard? Yes.
Or there was
today he has turned round. Today he has turned round. He's saying what the enemy are nonsense. We'll be saying what's there. As for criminal issue, he's there. But the treatment wasn't banana. Now, Martin Popo should say, I don't know my OSP or try do the OSP them firm binana wire blueberry. No one wire them SML we need man. No what give you say. It Martin Popo say that can in your OSP or your 10 if man will give you see them. You see them.
Conflict of interest.
We find that operation loot recover all loot in already. We be the street like blue people catching.
What's 30 cases I have a July before July by end.
Or your school prefect or your school the actual names of talkative and this attorney general DP double punishment. Kasa.
Okay. No, for say.
Me dey see a Kasa no boss minus or man. You remain focused. I don't know what to about 1.7 million votes. The moment 1 year. If only they claim to be high thinking president, 1 year, they should fix the economy.
Okay. Issues no. Waka na honestly another marathon discussion. Intina ezaton nyamu bua ochina tribunal issue no. Musa Dankwa
what's one tribunal?
Finance.
Constitutional Review Committee chaired by Constitutional Review Committee.
No, finance number. To want to interrogate the findings.
Take off tribunal, and today's president was a vice president. Our president all signing into it or signing said they should take off tribunal.
Yeah.
If you don't
Constitutional Committee was that president was said, why are you lying? Why are you lying? And then I say, President Rama said, oh, why are you lying?
Wasn't that your mama is vice president?
He's a vice president.
It's
no, but the issue, as I would not say in there.
The condition then and the condition are changed.
Or different. New Constitutional Review Committee now. They also have a different agenda. Intino Yamabwa Tribunal
1.7 million in the Agric Manifesto, do you know costing financial loss to be a waba? Woman do abra paid woman for a benu wala. Market 2.
Okay, big man, yes, sir. Actually, I saw the one.
That's what for.
Oh, yeah, we'll tell them.
I'm here for.
On
Here for.
20.
Me I'll go 2,000. Me I'll go 2,000.
What did you say? 2,000. One on your.
No, what are the way for? What are the way for? You see, you can't see that come and pet life.
In the way I'm going to young one.
Yeah.
I the boy, I was on okay.
I tell you, go back to get it on yo. Oh, go back to get it on yo. The Nigeria no for Aba.
Yes, sir.
Ghana for there. When you have a man is
what's the Ghana for you? 1.5 years when you have
we are mama.
But I've been 8 good years. They are COVID Russia-Ukraine war. COVID and Russia-Ukraine war. So I am Ghana for lucky. And MPP no point to say why the Iran and American levy. What about you in our account? I'm also Ghana for up to about 1.7 was amen because of confidence and when President Obama. And I am many person who want us to who there. In some assessment.
What's the farms? Which farms? Women's bank.
Women's bank or na big man.
These are their behavior. They were disrespect Ghanaians. They in separate affairs. Kasa.
Your doings shows the inimity.
I'm on your MPP and it's in a classroom. Was the because of politics. Only MPP no matter there. You can talk about subset without the investor set. Only MPP. What are you talking about? Ghanaians are thinking about how we are making their life better. You see, they always think that they are superhuman.
In the what Ubia to know oil galamsey perceive, then you bank oil galamsey. But in the one constituency chairman Alamble, Adamus Ghana actual oil galamsey. In the member of parliament for Awi,
from Paul Martin, in the Paul Martin, Professor Paul Martin,
Attorney General's wanted on a more.
One share Mama Kasa. Attorney General, what Galamsen intent no finance and one make no to the national organizer, Joseph Yami. The last time I can't show up. I call him personally and talk to him. What are you talking about? One way 419. 19 is government.
System.
I don't know. 90 years now we come. When we always came to this power, inflation is around 90-something%. Nothing in the market. Only one woman. I will give you a book to read. Written by foreigner, not your bias historians. Not your bias historians. Not your bias historians. You know what I'm talking about.
1 minute. Yes, you must not be see had the other ones today. Was the one Kasa to her or share Jumazino? Kasa Jumazi, a Bribiano, as a brown in your Yamia Duma, a China, the monk of Fabian Yella, no Abatanaha. Yachun come on, Yazako on a different. We watch never cut Tribunal Nasam. Bigman say our Tribunal as a ranging to Mubiano or a criminal. They so or a kind of different ways. In your there's always a first time. There's always a first time in your. There's always a first time. Yes, this is a Daniel ABAWANA. This is a I can take. MPP on people's communicators. Lamini ALHASSAN here. Ayikoo Assembly member. Fasama. NDC Aban. Another NDC party. They are so. Yami Adima. Ochina. The memory yasu. Wasansi Isha. Kasa. Your own face, your own voice. This is Kasa. Current affairs program. It is Medina. You don't want to see the breed over Kenya. You are coming.
Edumene woso say be piatwaso nindian twaso kutu kranenya pesa menkunya eni embremu da mama ya sase odo atse amaino ayesena hose oma for private amaino.
Yeah, we go. Okay, this is my motherland, Lady Ghana tiny. Anything I go talk, we get a time. Bo, Bonia, hey, Boni Dane Fe, hey. Many me feel he kati, many won't pay. Malaba, he can't find the Bajamin Cabo. When you look on India, I promise on my own, I'm more pioneer and Shona. Pulling off a Mina Sana, Libukuna, no Shona.
Yawaena, Jumanchi Afiko May, Kowan Kabila Capito. Zahida kai banda bambanci mu daina zalunci ubangijin Allah wai ma zumunci ya fi komai annan Muhammad wai ma zumunci ya fi komai iyayenmu wai ma zumunci ya fi